LakelandCarKeys.com. We're currently working on a 08 Ford F150. It's all keys lost, and we're going to go ahead and try to program a new chip key with our Xhorse key Max Pro. All right, I currently have the key here cutting, and then once that's done, we will go ahead and attempt to program in. This one should be fairly simple. This is probably one of the easiest vehicles to program keys to, as long as they don't have any issues. And it looks like we got some DLC jumpers here, but I should be able to go ahead and connect in that. And then from the main screen, we'll go into emo programming. All right. And then let me select Ford. All right. And then we're in the United States area. And then we can select F150. And then, so in their translation, they got flip keys, which is going to be your normal transponder chip key, and keyless go, which is going to be your push to start smart keys. And I believe my key is done cutting, so I'll go ahead and grab that. All right, so we got everything we want to dash, and we are going to go ahead and select flip keys. And then this is a 2008, so I'm going to select 04 of 08. Go ahead and start emo programming, and then we're just going to do add a key. All right. So if you do all keys lost and it erases the keys, it's going to make you program 2 new keys to the vehicle before the vehicle will start. So by just doing add a key, we're just adding the keys and leaving the old keys that are in the system in there. All right, it tells us to insert the wanted programming key and switch the ignition on. We already have it on. All right, so this one said failed. And if you've seen my video where we did the last Dodge, it also said failed, but it did program. But it looks like the lock light is out on the dash, so I'm gonna shut this off. Actually, we have the light up here, so that light goes out, and the key was programmed. So we just, let it run for at least 10 seconds, make sure it doesn't cut back off on its own, and that looks like it's good. So there's probably a known issue with these Key 2 Max Pros. I'll make sure to keep an eye out on the updates. But again, it's a minor issue. It does do the programming as it should. It's just hitting us with failed when it actually did program. All right, so that's another successful key programming job with my new Xhorse Key 2 Max Pro. This is only the second job that I've done with it so far, so I'm just gonna keep trying a couple of different jobs and see what it can do and what it can't do. But thanks for watching. LakelandCarKeys.com.